Hey guys, Aaron here from Quad Logic. We're gonna be doing another install video with Grant, and we're gonna be working with our new Bling Bling package. I could explain more about that, but I'm not gonna waste time. Let's just hand it over to Grant.
Hey guys, Grant here, lead engineer here at Quad Logic. Today we're going to be installing our Bling Bling package, which is our billet throttle housing cap, our billet brake reservoir cap, billet gas cap, and also the billet throttle itself. First thing, we're going to take the cover off of throttle here using a T15. And then on this cap, there is an O-ring seal on the bottom. You'll have to use a pick to take that out and put it in your new billet cap. Before we do that, since the cover is off, we are going to go ahead and install the throttle lever. Just take Phillips. I like to hold the bottom of the lever so that does not fall out, and also try to hold the top because there's a spring in spring that holds like a sensor together for your throttle position. It sometimes likes to pop out and it's not too fun to put back together. To pull this out, there is a gasket that may or may not come out when you take it out. Just reinstall that. Now with these ribs, they will align in the plastic housing. So sometimes have to kind of wiggle it. That one just went right in. Then with the supplied screw, reinstall this. That's installed. All right, so now we'll take the O-ring out of the cap. Can be tricky, it's in there pretty tight. Just reinstall it on the new billet cap. I like to kind of push it down with the pick to seat it all the way in there. Once that's installed, let's go ahead and place the cap on, just reinstall it. Next, we'll go ahead and install the brake reservoir cap. Using a T20, you'll remove the 2 bolts. Now there is brake fluid in here, so I'm gonna be careful. It could drip a little bit. There's not too much in there. With the eyeglass, you will push it out through the top. Undo the gasket. Pull that out. And then with the new billet cap, just reinstall the gasket or the seal. And then to reinstall the eyeglass, you'll go from the bottom, push it up in there until you can see it flush. Then kind of set the gasket, it'll pop back in place. Reinstall the hardware. Now you do not need to tighten this down too much. There you go, quick, simple. And also don't forget about the gas cap. Everybody should know how to do that now with Aaron's how to install video. And there you go, Bling Bling package install. It's pretty straightforward.
All right guys, we got all the bling put on our Sportsman. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, if you want to get these products, check the link down below. And until next time, you guys have fun.
I don't know what else you want me to say now.